Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay verification. And in recent time, there is a new update in Alipay that allow every Alipay user to verify successful without any hassle. Over the last 1 or 2 years ago, verification of Alipay have become a nightmare for most especially foreigners that are using Alipay for transaction. And as a result of current update here, Alipay was able to fix this problem. And I will show you these 2 or 3 simple methods that you need to follow in order to get your Alipay account verified successful and start transact with your Alipay account balance and your wallet without any stress. I come across about this particular message and I decide to share with you guys right here. So if you try this out and you find it useful, please consider to share this video to others that are facing Alipay verification problem, and let me know in the comment section of this video. So let's go. So I'm going to exit from here, and I will go ahead and bring out the message that you need to follow right here. Okay, so let me quickly bring out this. You can see Alipay verification is working. Great news. Many users experience issues verifying their Alipay account since last year. The problem has now been fixed and verification is working smoothly. Please try verify your Alipay account again now and enjoy seamless payment. So I first saw this message right here. Now let me give you this simple method that you need to follow. Here is the message right here. Those that find it difficult to verify their Alipay should try this method. Method 1. What you need to do here is to make sure. So let me quickly zoom out the message. So method 1, what you need to do here is to delete your current Alipay app. The Alipay app that is giving you issue, the one that is being giving you identity not authenticated or different kind of message or chip fail verification, delete one, the one you have, whether you have it on your Android phone or you have it on your iPhone, delete the app. So if you don't know how to delete your Alipay app, you can check the video on my channel. Make sure you check out the video and see how you can delete the Alipay app. Deleting account is different from uninstall the app. Don't uninstall, just make sure you delete the app. So when you delete the app, go ahead to your Play Store. If you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and download new one. Log in again, then clear cache. If you don't know how to clear cache, just go to my channel. I've made a lot of videos about different series on Alipay. Just search for how to clear cache in Alipay app. So when you click on when you clear cache in your Alipay app, next move to the verification phase. The way you and manner you have been doing it that is not successful, go and retry it. It's going to be work perfectly. Most especially, you can try it in the midnight or at dawn. This is depends on the kind of network you are using and the country you find yourself. It's that simple. So these are the tricks you need to follow to successfully verify your Alipay now. It is a new update. Take this advantage right now and try it out and make sure you verify your Alipay account to verify your Alipay account without any stress. If you try out this particular trick and it's worked perfectly for you, please remember to share this video and let us know in the comment section of this video any other means by which you have been using to verify your Alipay app as at the moment of watching this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.